I want to ask you to get your take. This is serious business after a brutal week like this. I want to ask you, I think it's not 2008. I think we're in a recovery. I think our banks and our financial system is a lot healthier. I think the global economy is a lot healthier, especially the emerging areas of China, Asia, India, and Brazil. How do you see it, Don, and what are you saying to investors now?
Well, it's not 2008 in a good sense and in a bad sense. The good sense is that the authorities around the world learned from the mistakes of 2008. They learned that when something starts spinning out of control in the global banking system, the global credit system like Greece is right now, you've got to intervene and stop it before it goes bad. You got to treat the world as systemic. You got to treat the world as too big to fail. That's what we've learned. So it's not 2008. We have learned that. The bad news is that between 2008 and now, we have expended so many resources doing so many bailouts that even though we know now that we must do the bailouts, we have fewer resources available to do them. So yeah, we're going to throw everything we can at Greece and probably everything we can at Portugal and whatever it takes to draw the Maginot Line. But you know, before World War II, the Maginot Line seemed like a pretty good idea, too. Let's just hope it can hold.
All right, Will Ryan, come to you. Financial markets are putting a lot of discipline on the socialists, and so are the voters in some countries. So I want to ask you, Mr. Luskin, your best recommendation for the individual investor?
Gold.
Gold.
I mean, look,
Right.
I just can't believe. I listen to the conversations that happen on this show, and I talk to my clients about it. I almost sometimes feel like I have to be embarrassed to say gold, like that's just kind of some bizarre, old-fashioned thing. And people say, well, we should have some allocation to gold. Look, it's an investment. It's what's working. There have only been 2 days in history when gold closed at a higher price than it closed today. And it is a perfect response to a world that is printing its way back to prosperity.
The gold call may be another great form of financial discipline to change this around. All right.